Hello. Welcome to Shopify Fashion Installation and Configuration Tutorial. Today's topic is how to set up homepage sections. Let's see how many sections we have. Premium features of our theme include stunning modern homepage sliders, shop by categories, featured image slider, hero banner, FAQs, and bestseller products. Let's get slider started. Slides within the slider can be added or removed. When you click on the slider button, the options on the right-hand side will be revealed. You can customize the photos, title, subtitle, action button title, and link in this panel. Let's have a look at the video to see how. Let's create a shop by category block. This is an auto-generated block that will display any collections that have products in them. To make this feature work, your store must contain active products and collections. Let's look at how to set it up. Let's get started on the featured banner. When you click on banner, its settings will appear on the right side. You can customize the background image, the heading text, the description, and the link to action button. For banner setting, attentively watch the video. Set up a bestseller, new product, or any other type of product area. When you click on the product section, its settings will appear on the right side. You can change the title of your collection and assign it an ID. Let's see how we can do it. Let's build a FAQ section. When you click on the FAQ area, its settings will appear on the right side. You can add, edit, and delete FAQs. Let's see how we can do it. Great, our homepage is now ready. In the next video, we will learn how to update the Contact Us page.